excited to join the Husqvarna Motorcycles Rockstar Energy family. It's a privilege to have this kind of factory support behind me at this stage of my career. Huge thanks to the whole crew for believing in the program. Stoked to do a lot of fun race/events alongside the FXR Moto family as well. Hashtag vet friendly. So apparently, Phil Nicoletti doesn't like retirement, quote unquote. Now, who knows what he's actually going to be doing for them, but he has inked a deal with the Husqvarna Rockstar team as who knows? I mean, it does say to do a lot of fun races/events, so I'm assuming maybe some select pro motocross events or some testing, some riding for them, promotional stuff. Who knows? But I mean, he quote unquote retired, and now he's just signed to a factory squad, I guess. I mean, it's kind of one of those like, whatever. At this point in your career or his career, he's not racing full time. He's not going for championships or points or, worrying about anything like that. So anything that he does on a bike can just be pure fun. I mean, think Dean Wilson. He had his world tour. Now he can just race whatever events he wants, and who knows what they're gonna do. I mean, he's a veteran guy. He's well liked. It's kind of just a good PR thing, I guess you could say. He goes and does a few races, and if he does well, great. If he kind of is a middle of the pack guy, whatever. He's a veteran, and there's no expectations from this. I'm assuming it's just go out, have some fun, and let's do some cool things, I guess. It'd be interesting to see, though. Obviously, this is kind of the thing at the moment. You got Stewart being announced again. You got Villapoto back with Kawasaki. Now you got Nicoletti with Husqvarna. So who knows? I mean, hopefully some cool things come out of this. Hopefully it's not just a one and done race kind of thing a year. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Cool idea. Do you like Phil Nicoletti? Who would you like to see, a veteran that hasn't raced or whatever in a few years, come back and ride? Who would it be? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.